In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PST file in Outlook, remove it, and manage archive folders efficiently. Whether you're organizing your emails or freeing up space, understanding how to handle PST files can really streamline your Outlook experience. Let's dive right in. To begin with, let's explore how you can add a PST file to Outlook. The first step is to navigate to the appropriate section in Outlook. Start by opening Outlook and clicking on the File tab in the top left corner. Once there, you'll see various options, but we're interested in Open and Export. Click on that and then choose Open Outlook Data File. This section is your go-to place for accessing data files in Outlook according to Microsoft support. Now, you'll need to select the PST file you want to add. A window will pop up allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Find the desired .pst file, select it, and then click Open. And that's it. Your PST file is now added to your Outlook profile, making your emails or data readily accessible. Next, let's look at how to remove a PST file in Outlook. Start by accessing your account settings. Again, click on File in the top left corner, then navigate to Account Settings and select Account Settings again from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Data Files. This tab is crucial as it lists all your data files according to Microsoft support. From here, scroll or search for the specific .pst file you wish to remove. Once located, select the file by clicking on it, then simply click the Remove button as suggested in a Microsoft support article. This action removes the PST file from your Outlook without deleting the data, which is useful if you're trying to clean up your Outlook profile. Now, let's discuss managing archive folders. Utilizing Outlook's archive features can significantly help in maintaining and organizing your mailbox. To enable automatic archiving, navigate to File again, then go to Options and click on Advanced. Here, you'll find Auto Archive Settings. Configuring these settings allows Outlook to move items older than a specified period into an archive folder, keeping your primary folders organized and clutter-free. But if you prefer to archive emails manually, Outlook offers that option too. Simply right-click on the folder you wish to archive and select Archive. This feature is handy for instant archiving of items older than a chosen date, allowing you to manage your space and data optimally. Mastering these tasks in Outlook, from adding and removing PST files to managing your archives, can significantly improve your productivity and efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, consider subscribing for more useful insights. Happy organizing!